It's that time of year again. It's Socktober! Each year, Cardinal teams up with Card's Closet to collect pairs of socks the entire month of October.
But remember, they have to be brand new.
A simple donation of socks may seem small, but it can really make a big impact.
And they can be any size from infant to adult.
They donate so many socks. Cars of socks, I feel like it's a big truckload of it. And then we use those socks throughout the whole year to offer free socks for kids and they're brand new. We want people to feel really good about themselves when they leave. We find students who go to school without socks because they can't afford it. So a pack like this could be like $15 or $20 versus buying groceries. You know, a family is able to get new items here at the clothing closet.
Socktober is incredibly important to what we do to serve children in our schools. Socks are one of the things we give away the most to children. I would say we have about 324 students in our school, and I give out a pair of socks almost daily. I can't describe enough how happy it makes the kids to put on new socks, and I'll usually give them a pair to wear that day and a couple more to take home with them, and they're just really happy.
The reaction that we get is just joy, extreme joy, and I feel like it's been a pretty big impact on the community, especially when they see that the socks are brand new. They appreciate the fact that there's people making these donations.
You can drop off brand new pairs of socks to our office, or you can hand them to a technician out in the field. And you can also spread the word by sharing this video on social media with all your friends and family. Let's make a positive impact in our community, and once again, make this Socktober a huge success.